Hello, wherever you are. Today I would like to share with you using this bowl. We'll start from scratch, but I'll share with you this pattern. So if you like that and you'd like to join me, let's start from scratch. So you take a ball of wool and you just have to twirl like that and hook out where you want to start the project. Now I will do 20 chains because this is just a sample. I'll do only a few stitches. So done 4 chains there, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I've done that, I will do 3 more stitches. I'll do 2 more stitches. That's 2, snagging 2. Now with that I'll come back onto the first, second, the third stitch and do a double crochet. Then I'll do a little chain and do another double crochet in the next one, and I'll do 2 chains, then do a double crochet by missing 2 loops and go in the third one. Here I'll do 1 chain, then do a double crochet next, then I'll do 2 chains again, miss 2 chains below, and in the third one do a double crochet. This is UK double crochet in case you're watching from somewhere where you use American stitches. In American stitches this will be single crochet, so just remember that. So 2 chains again, miss 2 below, and we do a double crochet in the next one. We'll do a chain, we'll do a double crochet next to that, then we'll do 2 more chains. We keep repeating this, miss 2 below until the end. So here I will do it here, then I'll do 2 chains, and that's my last one. I didn't leave myself enough space, but I can afford to put it in the loop because I still need to have 2 chains in there. So we'll finish off with that. Now I've done that, I need to go back. With that we'll do 3 chains, 10 hour work, and I'll do 2 more chains. So we've done 5 chains on there. With those 5 chains we'll yarn over, and we are aiming at going into there. So we will do, that was between the 2 double crochet chain double crochet space, and we'll do a treble like so. We end up with that. Then we'll do 2 more chains, but this time we're doing a treble in the same place. So we'll do like that. I normally take 1 loop with my trebles because it just makes it less a bit neater. So we'll do that again, yarn over, but this time you see we've made a V. We need to accommodate that, so we will miss 2 chains below, which we did also in there. Then we'll come and do our treble in there. So we're doing V's upside, we're doing V's, then that's a V or so, but upside down. So 1, 2, and again in that. So there we go. We have to do this all the way to the end. So we miss here, go in here. So all we're doing in this row is do a treble, 2 chains, a treble in the same, then immediately you do a treble missing two chains below. So we done that, we'll miss this bit and we'll go into the smaller space, which was a double crochet, chain, double crochet. So we do that, 2 chains, we do again that, then we do the last one, the last V. Again here we'll do 2 chains and we end up with that. But because it's a V, it's not a straight edge, so we want it to be straight. So what we do there, we allow a chain, 1 chain, then we go in the last space. That will make sure we have a straight edge. So now we will do a chain and 10. We've done a chain 10, we'll do a double crochet in there. American single, UK double crochet. We'll do a chain. Allowing that, accommodating the 1 chain we did there, and we'll do another double crochet. This time we'll do 2 chains on the long here, but there's 2 chains below, so we do 2 chains here. But we go in the top of this leg stitch. We'll do a double crochet, then we'll do a little chain, and we do double crochet. So in the 3rd row, we're doing the same way as we did on the 1st row. So we carry on this process of 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, then 2 chains, 1 double crochet, chain, and 1 double crochet. So here I did 2 chains. There's my chain going up that will represent a treble. So we count 2 chains, but we put our treble there, our double crochet there. So now we have finished. In the 4th row, which I'll do here, we will do 3 chains. Yeah, we 10, but we'll add more. So we'll do 5, because what we are doing, we're repeating what we did below. So it becomes a treble there. And you can see already that looks like that. Then here it means we have to close. So we'll go in here. We won't go in the same because there's already the chain and that. So we'll go in there. So what we are doing is putting a V on top of this upside down V. So 1, 2, and we do that. Now you can see our stitches are beginning to take shape. So we do that all the way to the end. Now at this point, as this was a sample, I will now carry on my bigger project. So just stay there so you can see. On this one I've already done many rows, so it's the same. And what I decided to do here is a top. I'm making myself a top. So we were doing the V shapes. I'll put my hook there, then I'll just show you a little bit more. Okay, so when you carry on, this is how your project is going to look like. So let's remind each other and just do a little bit more stitches on this one. So we've already done 2 chains, so we just go in there and we do our treble. Then we go into here, and when I go on top there, remember we did 2 chains, double crochet, chain, double crochet, then 2 chains. So we do the stitch in there, in between the 2 double crochets, which is over the top of this stitch. So like that. Then we do 2 chains, we do one in the same to finish off that V. So no chain here, we go straight into going to do a treble. So you go in there, 2 chains, again you can see 2 chains, double crochet, 1 chain, double crochet. So we go in there. So carry on until we are satisfied with our project. Thank you for watching. If you like this stitch and you'd like to have a go, please do have a go. Also leave me a comment, feel free to do that. And if you can share it, you'll be supporting my small business. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.